Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Cheri and today is Fab 5 Friday and it's also National Dreamsicle Day. So we're going to be making a 5-ingredient Dreamsicle Jello salad. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, fun, and 5-ingredient recipes, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell and check the description below for details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. So you might be wondering if you heard me correctly, did I say Jello salad? I said Jello salad. Now I'm pretty sure this is just like a Midwestern thing. But here in the Midwest, we make ham salad, we make cookie salad, we make Jello, we make all kinds of things that typically it's really not a salad, but it tastes really good and we call it a salad. So this is a 5-ingredient Dreamsicle Jello salad. It's cottage cheese, Cool Whip, Jello, mandarin oranges, and marshmallows. So it's really simple to make. I've got a full container of cottage cheese here. So you can use the full fat or the low fat. It's 16 ounces. And then I've got usually it calls for an 11-ounce can, but I went ahead and got the 15-ounce can because I wanted the no sugar added, and that's the only size that it came in. And I went ahead and drained them. So mandarin oranges. We're also going to stir in a package of Jello. So I'm using the sugar-free, but you can use the sugary kind if you like. Stir this together, which gives the beautiful orange color. And I have seen this done, like I said, a couple of different ways. You can add nuts into this. I've seen people, instead of do the marshmallows, they do pineapple. So lots of different ways you can customize this. And then we're just going to fold in a container of whipped cream topping. So an 8-ounce container. Look how pretty that is. It's like a big orange cloud. I know some places people call this fluff. And that's it. Other than our marshmallows, I'm just going to add, and this is totally to your liking. You can add as many or as little as you like. Obviously, I like marshmallows. I'm putting a lot in here. I don't think I have a big enough bowl for this. It's funny because growing up, I could not get my kids to eat cottage cheese for anything, but I could get them to eat this as long as I didn't tell them it was cottage cheese that went in it. They loved it. And you know, you can do this with different flavors. You can cherry, strawberry, whatever flavored Jello that you like. But today we are doing orange because it is National Orange Dreamsicle Day. All right, so let's give this a taste. It's fluffy, it's sweet. It's definitely not a salad. But it is really good. I bet it's been years since I've made this. But I just love this. Just about any family reunion or, you know, kind of get together at the holidays or something like that. Somebody always brings some version of this, and it's always delicious. It always takes me back to my childhood, and I just love it. So hopefully you'll give this a try. And I'll tell you another thing that's really good is after this has been in the fridge for about a day, the marshmallows, they absorb some of the moisture, and they get a little bit bigger, and they become just really light and airy. And I think that's one of my favorite things about this is letting it sit in the fridge for a while and just the texture of those marshmallows. So definitely give it a try. Let me know what you think about calling this a salad. And I thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.